Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the order notification emails and settings. Let's get started. In order to do that, what we can do is you can actually just scroll down in here and you can see the settings. Now, under the settings right here, you should be able to see the e-commerce settings. Now, under here, you should be able to see the notifications that we sent. So let's just wait for this. And then in here, you can just scroll down. And in here, you can see this checkout settings as well as this order email notification. So in here, once people or customer has purchased from you, you will be able to send order confirmation. So you can just click this in order to make this send automatically. So you can also put in a shipping confirmation as well as this resend download links or as well as this ready for pickup that can notify your customer when an order is ready for pickup. So you can edit this, and once you have edited it, we can change the title, the subtitle, as well as the footer right here and the footer description. So you can also show your email address as well as your phone number if you want. You can also click on edit right here on the shipping confirmation, and then from here you can also edit it however you want. Now you can also do this on this ready for pickup, as well as this resend download links right here. And then once you have done that everything, just click on settings again. And then under here, you should be able to see this notifications as well as your actual settings in here. You can see this communication. And under here is this notification preferences or as well as the outgoing notifications. So click on this outgoing notifications. And in here, you should be able to see everything that you have. And in here, you can notify customers when their plan is canceled, as well as give 3 days notice, as well as this welcome new customers, as well as the subscription, and all of this right here. Now, if you want to change that, just click on the 3 dots right here, click on edit, and then from in here, you should be able to see what it looks like. Now, we have here the trigger as well as the action. Now, if you don't want to actually use that, then you can actually just remove this actual action right here in order to undo that. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.